while we shaking, there is exchange of caffeine from aqueous layer to dichloromethane layer according to their participation coefficient. Caffeine has appreciable solubility in dichloromethane also, so it goes to dichloromethane layer from aqueous layer. Earlier we have performed same procedure with all the dilution of dichloromethane of that is standard compound. Now we are performing this procedure with soft drink. You have to shake the separating funnel for 5 minutes. Then we withdraw dichloromethane layer from this separating funnel. The aqueous layer remain in separating funnel, and again we repeat the extraction procedure with dichloromethane. We perform the extraction procedure with dichloromethane 2 times for each dilution and soft drink as well. Time to time, by removing the cap of separating funnel, ease the pressure of dichloromethane inside separating funnel. Otherwise, the stopper of the separating funnel goes like rocket. Therefore, you have to release the pressure time to time. Dichloromethane has very low boiling point. Therefore, it vaporize and generate positive pressure in volumetric flask, separating flask. Okay. 5 minutes completed. Now I am taking, here you can see 2 layers in this separating funnel. Lower one is dichloromethane and upper one is aqueous layer. Okay. So now we are taking this dichloromethane layer into iodine flask. First remove the stopper and then open the knob of separating funnel. Before opening of valve, ensure that both layer are separation in both layer clearly visualize. Sometimes it takes time to separate both the layer, so ensure that both layer get separated. Then open the valve and collect the dichloromethane layer into iodine flask. You can see that there is a clear difference between both the layer. Lower layer is clear and transparent, where aqueous layer is light brown color. make sure that single drop of aqueous layer do not go into iodine flask. Okay. Here you can see that there completely we have withdrawn the organic layer into iodine flask. Now properly stopper the, we have extract the caffeine into dichloromethane from aqueous layer, these caffeine from soft drink. Okay. We have already performed the experiment with different dilution and withdrawn the caffeine from aqueous layer to dichloromethane. Okay. Now first you have to make ensure dilution of each solution to equal volume. We have performed extraction with dichloromethane 2 times with 55 ml. Therefore, overall volume should be 10. Okay. Again, we are making up each solution to 15 ml, so that we make up each solution to 15 ml. For this, we can take a volumetric flask for makeup purpose. Let's start. First of all, we make up soft drink extract to 15 ml. To do this, first take this extract into measuring cylinder. Okay, it's 8 ml. However, we have performed 55 ml of dichloromethane, but due to volatility of dichloromethane, only 8 ml dichloromethane remain. So we need makeup of this. Okay. So it is 8 ml extract. Now we are going to add 7 ml dichloromethane to make up it 15 ml. Be careful while adding dichloromethane in the extract. Okay. Here is iodine flask for soft drink. Shake. Similarly, make up all the extract to 15 ml. For makeup purpose, we are using this volumetric flask, this measuring cylinder. If you have volumetric flask which can also be used, okay. We have here 7 ml, so we have to add at least 8 ml of dichloromethane for makeup. So you have to make up all the dilution to all the extract to similar volume, that is 15 ml. we are making 50 ml to each extract to 15 ml. Here one is last one. It is again 7 ml. So, we have to take 8 ml for makeup. Okay. So, I am revising it. First of all, we have made 200 ppm caffeine, and thereafter we have made 4 dilution, that is 25, 50, 75 and 100 ppm. Now, then we have extract the caffeine contained into dichloromethane. For that we have take 1 ml dilution and 5 ml dichloromethane 2 times. Okay. Now, we are taking this extract to in our instrument lab, where we will estimate, we will take the absorbance of these dilutions, these extracts. Okay.